Yeah? Oh, you're so close. Wanna try again? Try again. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Baggy Pants. Let's fix the pants. Let's fix the pants. Ooh. It's a good habit to get to in life. Keep those pants up. Yeah? You want to try again? You see Dora? Is Sissy watching Dora and you're walking? Yeah. Daddy's shoe? Daddy's nasty shoe? Yeah. Yeah, you big boy. Yeah. Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, there you go. We got props. Multiple props. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Can you walk with two things in your hand? Nah, Dora's distracting you, huh? That's my big boy. Now he's got the wide leg stance. So yeah, now I'm just gonna stay right here, Mommy. Hey, big boy.